Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So this is such a manual when we need, for example, having Windows Media Player 11, 10 or 12, and we need to set X64-bit version as a default one for some types of video files or music files or for every video file. When it is useful when we have a file, a large file over 4 GB with high definition, high resolution audio. It has in most cases it is FLAC audio, and the video itself is 4K or is 2K, 4K or 8K video. So even having super powerful computer, you will have distortion of audio with video on timeline, so it will be some seconds back, some seconds forward. So here it is an example for you.
Добре, що дали фруктів.
Так.
As you see, the audio was back or forward for some seconds, so the size of file is 4 GB and it is 4K size, as you see, and we have here FLAC high resolution audio. So if, for example, when we click here and we select properties and open with, we have only one type of Windows Media Player. No other Windows Media Player is present. So what we do, we need to click on a Start button in the left down corner, then write CMD or Command Prompt, and click on it with right mouse and select Run as or with administration right or as administrator. After entering it, just type the following line. This means that we make access to select to open with the program audio or video file with the possibility to open both with 32-bit Media Player, Windows Media Player, and 64-bit Windows Media Player. Okay, entering this line, we click on Enter. That's it. By the way, this manual was found on this website, Danny Web, by this man. Also, he writes here that we need to go to regedit and to write all this stuff, but after running this with command prompt, this line, I have checked and the lines are already present as they ought to be without changing, no need to change anything, so everything is perfect. So after having confirmed our action, this is when we need to revert to make it all back to only work media player for 32 x86 bits version. So now we have this is line 2 to revert. So Now we go to our file. I double click on it. Then I check it in what version we have. So it is 32 bits by default, even after this movement. So now what we need, for example, you now have problems to play any file, as I told you, so you need only this for 2K, 4K, 8K files that use or do not use. It depends on your computer, but mostly ones use high resolution audio. So we just click with right mouse on the file, select MKV as you see format, container, and select to open with, change the default prompt to open with. As you see, now we have another one, Windows Media Player. So this is the current one, X86 bits version, and this is the X64 bits. So I double click on it, accept, and OK. Now I click another time on it to run it. Now I check. As you see now, it's not written 32 bits, it asked x86 bits, so it is now Windows Media Player. It is now Windows Media Player x64 bits. So now let me show you that audio and video are now conforming themselves.
Добавки не дають. По одному на кожного. І записують.
Okay. So as you see, it's the same, but I have checked, and this is because of the recording of current manual. You need to stop recording. Even on very powerful computers you will have such situation. Probably if you have additional GPU, it as video card, you will not have this problem. But so after making this thing in command prompt, it as CMD, you can go to such a menu, program to open as default. We need to click on it, and then we write default programs. This menu is called. Now here we can select programs to open with as the defaults. So audio player, two types. The first one is X86 and the second X64. So if you click this, it will be for every type of audio, and this will be for every type of video, two types. Now you can select. Before that it was only one here, X86. All the same, you also have possibility to open with two players. The first one general, and the second one is X64 bits. So, but in general, as the first one, X86 bits works perfectly on every type file, just installing additional codecs and it will be perfect till the end of your life. But when you have this high definition 2K, 4K, 8K video, and you have high resolution audio inside it, it will be better to make it open as a default with Windows Media Player type X64. So, glorify the God forever. Such a manual it is.